How to fix GCash app load on successful error. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are seeing a load on successful error on GCash app, don't worry, you are not alone. Today I will show you some quick solutions to fix this issue. So let's get started. A stable internet connection is essential for GCash app to load correctly. Here's what you can do. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if that solves the problem. A weak connection is one of the most common causes to load unsuccessful error. Next, restart the GCash app. If your internet connection is fine, try restarting the app. Close the GCash app completely, removing it from your recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app and see if it loads successfully. A quick restart can often fix minor glitches. Next, for Android users, clearing the GCash apps can help with loading issues. Go to Settings, tap on Application, then go to GCache. Here you can tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the app to load incorrectly. If the issue persists, check for an app update. Sometimes update contains fixes for common bugs. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for GCache and see if there is an update available. If there is, update the app and try loading it again. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps helps you fix the load unsuccessful error on GCache. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.